Meaning of frigate bird.
Frigate bird.
Frigate bird.
Frigate bird.
Frigate bird. The frigate bird is a seabird found in the tropical regions of the world's oceans. It has a distinctive shape, with long wings and a deeply forked tail, and is known for its exceptional aerial abilities. The name frigate bird comes from the French word frigate, meaning fast or nimble. These birds are expert fishers, using their sharp vision to locate prey from high altitudes before swooping down to catch it. Frigate birds also have a unique breeding strategy, with males inflating a red throat pouch to attract females during courtship displays.